Alright, check this out. Mr. Green is there. And there's another one right next to him on the other tree. Oh, up there. He's there. See him up there? And then the other green is right there. I guess they're gonna sleep there for the night. 3 of them just flew by. But these 2 came up in the tree. That is really cool. I'm gonna try and take a picture. Alright guys, bye. Oh my goodness guys, look how big Mom does babies, guys. They're so big now. Look at these babies. Oops, sorry. Look at these babies have gotten big. Yeah. Oh, it's a little hectic here today. I'm going to show you. Yeah. There is a lot of geese here today. It's a little hectic. But you're just a babies. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Hi, babies. Look at you two. You two are so cute. Daddy gets mad, chases everyone away. I don't know what I'm going to do with you, Poppy. Yeah, what am I going to do with you, Poppy? Huh? Poppy. My mom is doing it. There's Mama. She's sweet. She's got a deformed foot. It's pretty weird looking. But Caddy's down there with Nina. There she is. The one with the neck issues. Where'd she go? I don't know where she went. Caddy's down there. She's eating good. And these guys were over here, but now they decided to go back. And we have some kumis today, kumarons. Okay guys, bye.